take 400 grams of paneer and cut them into large cubes. The size of the paneer should be like this. Now we are going to marinate the paneer. So now we are adding the paneer to a bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoon chilli powder, add half teaspoon of garam masala, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, crush few Kasturi methi leaves and add it in the bowl. Add salt as required. Add 2 teaspoons of corn flour powder. Mix everything well. Make sure the paneer pieces are coated nicely with the marinade. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Now to a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now place the paneer pieces onto the pan. Now flip and roast all sides of the paneer. Take a non-stick pan or else you can use a big tawa. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. Now add chopped garlic. Saute it well. Add chopped ginger. Add 2 red chilli chopped. Mix everything well. Now add chopped green chilli. Now mix everything well. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Next add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now mix everything well. Next add the roasted paneer pieces. Now mix everything well. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves. Finally, our delicious paneer tawa is ready. Serve it hot.